response, remember, that has come in from the Congress party, clearly in a trouble right now. And the Congress has decided to hit back at the Aam Aadmi Party. They say that the India bloc doesn't need them.
अजीत जी से पूछिए उन्होंने क्या उन पर इल्जाम लगाए हैं, क्या उन पर इल्जाम नहीं लगाए हैं। हम कहते हैं ये 24 घंटे का छोड़ दो भाई। मैं कल से एक एक चीज पर इनसे हर 24 घंटे का सवाल पूछूंगा। कल की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद हर 24 घंटे में यही जवाब दे दे। मैं तो 10 साल से इनसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूं, 10 साल में तो इनका जवाब नहीं आया। इंडिया गठबंधन में कोई टेक नहीं है। जब आदमी गिरता है, टूटता है ना, तो अगल बगल सहारा ढूंढता है। और अरविंद केजरीवाल की पुरानी आदत है रोने की। एक वो जो निकम्मा बच्चा होता है ना, वो जब खुद कुछ नहीं कर पाता तो अगल बगल सहारा ढूंढता है। ये बेचारे सहारा ढूंढ रहे हैं, आज बहुत बुरी हालत में हैं। इनको लग रहा है कि कांग्रेस के हमले से दिल्ली की भी सरकार इनके हाथ जा रही है। इनके पंजाब के विधायक तैयार हैं भागने के लिए।
So, Sabyasachi, from Deshdrohi to a Nikamma Bachcha, Aspas Sahara ढूंढ रहा है. I mean, Sandeep Dixit really is digging in his heels. But why is the Congress top brass quiet? I mean, are they okay with this kind of a language, with this kind of a complete vocabulary that is being used against Arvind Kejriwal?
Well, see, the Congress party high command is definitely aware of the kind of development that is taking place. In fact, the press conference which was held by the Congress party yesterday, where Devendra Yadav, the DPCC president, Ajay Maken, and several of the leaders were present. Now, that particular press conference where they had put out several 12 points attacking Arvind Kejriwal, and in that particular press conference, Ajay Maken made the remark of anti-national. Sandeep Dixit also continuously attacking the Aam Aadmi Party, stating that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is like a crybaby, and the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to hide their own failures. So these sort of remarks are continuously coming in from the Congress party, whereas from the message from the Congress party is very much clear that they are not going to get pressurized by the threatening coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. They are going to give a reply to the Aam Aadmi Party, whether they challenge the Congress party that within 24 hours they have to remove Ajay Maken from his post, or he has to apologize, and Congress party would not take it, and they would continue to expose Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP as far as the national capital is concerned.
All right, Sabyasachi. So clearly, this all boils down to the Delhi elections, where clearly the Aam Aadmi Party is feeling that the Congress could actually edge them out, and this could be an advantage. BJP will continue to track that story. For the moment, thank you. But this is not the only trouble that is brewing for the Congress party this afternoon. Remember, they have a CWC meeting that's underway in Belagavi in Karnataka, where the Congress workers actually who've left the party embarrassed after you have posters and banners with a distorted India map that is placed. That's the image up on your screens. Now, the BJP has accused the Congress of putting that distorted map of India, portraying Kashmir as a part of Pakistan here. Parts of POK and Aksai Chin are also here missing from this map that was used by the Congress cadre for the posters and the banners. The event, which is in the eye of this huge storm, it's going to be attended by the Gandhis and the top leadership of the party. So in a bid then to cover up, to do some kind of damage control, the Congress cadre then decided to cover up this distorted map with a sticker. But it was not replaced with a correct India map. So the BJP has accused the Congress of allying now with anti-India and divisive forces. The BJP is also alleged that this distorted map also displays the tukde and the vote bank appeasement mindset of the Congress party.
अब इससे एक बात बहुत साफ हो गया है कि भारत को छिन्न भिन्न करने का स्वप्न देखने वाले शक्तियां, भारत को तोड़ने का ख्वाब देखने वाली ताकतों के साथ कांग्रेस के गठजोड़ की तस्वीर अब एकदम साफ हो गई है। भारत को छिन्न भिन्न करने वाली शक्तियों के साथ कांग्रेस की दुरभिसंधि का चित्र इस मानचित्र के साथ बिल्कुल साफ हो गया है। कांग्रेस ने निरंतर इससे पूर्व भी भारत के नक्शे के साथ इसी प्रकार की छेड़छाड़ की है।
ये मिस्टेक की बात ही नहीं उठता, क्योंकि इनका माइंड सेट ही होता है, वही है। उसके वास्ते क्या वो लगाया, वो सच लगाया, उसको हम खिलाफ लड़ेंगे।
कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है भारत जोड़ो, पर दरअसल इनकी नीयत केवल और केवल भारत तोड़ो की है। और आज जिस प्रकार से उनके बेलगावी के प्रोग्राम में भारत का एक डिस्टॉर्टेड मैप दिखाया गया है, जिसमें कि भारत के जम्मू कश्मीर को पाकिस्तान में दिखाया गया है, जिसमें कि भारत के जम्मू कश्मीर को अक्साई चीन को चाइना में दिखाया गया है। ये दिखाता है कि कांग्रेस की मानसिकता हमेशा भारत के टुकड़े करने की है। जम्मू कश्मीर को ही भारत से हटा देना और पाकिस्तान को सौंप देना और पाकिस्तान के सुर से सुर मिलाना, यही कांग्रेस का एजेंडा है।
Now, the Congress party had initially dismissed all these allegations by the BJP. They called this an attempt to deviate from the main issues. But now the Congress says that this map was put up by a local MLA and he, in fact, is not authorized to put out official posters for the Karnataka Congress.
Problem with the BJP is that the BJP is busy without business. They don't talk about issues that matter. They are making an issue where none exists. Some local person must have done it. It is not the Congress party's official posters that are being put. The reality is that even there, it's an expanded India.
अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि वो खुद का कुछ भी सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं। मैं उनसे एक सवाल करती हूँ कि अभी एक महीने की सब्जी 2000 में आती थी और आज एक हफ्ते की सब्जी भी 2000 में नहीं आ रही है, उस पे क्यों नहीं आप उत्तर दे रहे हैं? प्याज और आलू इतना महंगा क्यों है? हरी मिर्च इतनी महंगी क्यों है? धनिया इतनी महंगी क्यों है? लौकी इतनी महंगी क्यों है? उस पे क्यों नहीं जवाब दे रहे हैं? ये सिर्फ मुद्दे को डाइवर्ट करना चाहते हैं।
BJP is also saying that the Congress party has used a distorted map of India in its posters. How do you like to react to it? Because they are saying that it's an attack on...
I've not seen that, but I don't think that's likely. The Congress has been fighting for the map of India since ever.
Deepak is also joining us live. He has more insights into that story. You know, Deepak, many would say that this is a pattern with the Congress. You know, even if they make a mistake, they don't accept the fact that, listen, we've made a mistake. We are sorry. The next time we won't do this. Now, they look for excuses, they look for alibis, and this clearly is the biggest problem with the Congress.
Well, you know, the entire controversy right now, of course, is spiraled with the BJP launching an all-out attack. We've seen starting from Belagavi to Bengaluru to even Delhi. BJP leaders are up in arms against, you know, these posters that emerged last evening. And through the course of the night, we've seen some changes that happened to the posters as well. Some stickers that have been put up. But these stickers, once again, don't replace the old distorted map with a new one, but have a new image altogether. Basically, they wanted to, of course, after this issue was raked up on social media, they wanted probably to cover it up. You heard from Supriya, the spokesperson of the Congress party, who goes on to say that the BJP is unnecessarily raising this issue. It was not the official poster of the Congress party, but put up by some local leaders there. Well, at this point in time, the BJP is saying that this is not a coincidence. This is done deliberately. We've seen the link to George Soros. We've seen, the statements of Rahul Gandhi being quoted by some of the BJP leaders and a host of other reasoning that the BJP is giving to say that this is not a coincidence, but a deliberate attempt to show a distorted map of India, which is being denied by the Congress party. However, with this much of ammunition being given to the BJP at this point in time, has the Congress somewhere failed to highlight what the event is about, and it has become right now popular for the wrong reasons, is a question that's emerging.
Absolutely. The question is there, but there is no answer, because the same problem is, what is repeated by the Congress time and again, Deepak. For the moment, thank you. And from that big story developing